Last night, I was out from the catch at the band, and we were having a good time, you know, we had this little blackjack game going on, you know what I mean? And I somehow got lucky, and every time I tried to leave, they kept yelling at me. You know, they want to get their money back, so I stayed there until I had all of it. And you know, Fred, I was so excited, I just left there and I started listening to myself. Oh man, I'm thinking when I get home, my mama's gonna be so glad to see me. I know she gonna open the door, and she gonna open her arms, and I know she gonna open. I was wrong as hell. I'll tell you right now. She waited on me all right in the middle of the living room floor. I couldn't believe what was happening. The woman went crazy. She stopped yelling and screaming at me, talking about I didn't quite understand it at first, you know what I mean? I guess you said so. I'm gonna have to let my baby go. Come back, to take me to my face. You're making me mad here now. I don't think you know who you're talking to. I don't have to take that kind of talk to nobody. Say what? Yeah, I know it's your house. But that don't make me keep telling you. Say what? I dare you to say it again. What? You tried.